Namaste Vanadar. Today we will discuss about complements. In a digital electronics, these complements are used to simplify the subtractions and to process the logical operations in an easy way, in easy manner. Okay. So digital electronics లో సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ ఆపరేషన్స్ని ఈజీగా పెర్ఫామ్ చేయడానికి అదేవిధంగా లాజికల్ ఆపరేషన్స్ని ఈజీగా ప్రాసెస్ చేయడానికి ఈ కాంప్లిమెంట్స్ అనేటివి చాలా ఉపయోగపడతాయి. ఇన్ డిజిటల్ ఎలక్ట్రానిక్స్ వీఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ టూ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ కాంప్లిమెంట్స్ ఫర్ ఈచ్ నెంబర్ సిస్టమ్. Those are radix complement and second one is a diminished radix complement. And this radix complement is also calling as a R's complement, and this diminished radix complement is also calling as a R minus 1's complement. Okay, and if you want to define R minus 1's complement, the R minus 1's complement is defined as R to the power n minus 1 whole minus n, where this capital N represents the given number in any base and small n represents the number of digits in the given number, and if you want to define radix complement, that is a R's complement, that will be defined as R to the power n minus 1 minus n whole plus 1. That means here we will cancel this plus 1 and minus 1. That means finally we will get R to the power n minus n. But if you observe, before this result, here this portion is similar to R minus 1's complement. That means here you can write as this expression for R's complement is resultant or is obtained simply by adding 1 to the R minus 1's complement. That means R's complement is equal to R minus 1's complement plus 1. R minus 1's complement plus 1. Okay. అంటే ఆర్ మైనస్ 1's కాంప్లిమెంట్ కనుక్కున్న తర్వాత దానికి 1 యాడ్ చేస్తే సింపుల్గా మనకు ఆర్స్ కాంప్లిమెంట్ వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్, ఇఫ్ యూ టేక్ దీస్ టూ కాంప్లిమెంట్స్ ఫర్ ఈచ్ బేస్ ఆర్ సిస్టమ్, we will get for decimal number system r equal to 10, and we are getting the r minus 1's complement as a 9's complement and r's complement as a 10's complement. డెసిమల్ నెంబర్ సిస్టంలో ఆర్ అనేది అంటే బేస్ అనేది రాడిక్స్ అనేది 10, మరి ఇక్కడ ఈ రాడిక్స్ని బేస్ చేసుకుని ఆర్ మైనస్ 1's complement, దట్ ఈస్ అ 10 minus 1's complement is a 9's complement and r's complement is a 10's complement. Similarly, in case of binary number system r equal to 2, now for this r equal to 2, the r minus 1's complement is a 1's complement, r's complement is a 2's complement. Now for octal number system r equal to 8, based on this the complements are r minus 1's complement is a 7's complement, r's complement is a 8's complement. And finally for hexadecimal number system, base is a or radix is a 16. Now due to that r minus 1's complement is a 15's complement, r's complement is a 16's complement. Now first we will go for the decimal number system. So that is a r equal to 10. Now in that we will get the 9's complement and 10's complement. Now first we will discuss about 9's complement. Now in case of 9's complement, now based on this original definition of r minus 1's complement, the 9's complement will be defined as this one. In place of r, you will substitute r equal to 10, and this 9's complement will be taken as 10 power n minus 1 minus n. 10 power n minus 1 minus n. Whereas 10 power n indicates or represents 1 after n zeros. And similarly, 10 power n minus 1 represents n nines. N nines. For example, we are considering n equal to 4. N equal to 4, that is 10 power n is a 10 power 4, that indicates 1 after 4 zeros, 1 after 4 zeros, that is a 10,000. The 1 4 zeros we will take, and 10 power n minus 1 will be 10 power 4 minus 1, and we will get, by subtracting this 1 after by subtracting 1 from this 1 after 4 zeros, we will get 4 nines. That means here 10 power 4 is a 4 is giving the 4 nines. That is a 10 power 4 minus 1 is a, what is the number of 4? That many number of nines we will get. Now finally, the nines complement will be obtained by subtracting each digit of the given decimal number from each 9. అంటే నైన్స్ కాంప్లిమెంట్ ఎలా వస్తుందంటే, ఇచ్చిన డెసిమల్ నెంబర్లోని ప్రతి ఒక్క డిజిట్ని ఇక్కడ 9లోంచి సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే మనకు నైన్స్ కాంప్లిమెంట్ వస్తుంది. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, I have taken one decimal number as a 546700. 546700. Now first, when you are considering the number, now first you have to see the how many bits are there, how many digits are there. That is the number of digits are the 6 are there. Now to obtain the nines complement for the given decimal number, you have to consider 6 nines. You have to consider 6 nines, since we are having the 6 digits in the given decimal number. So that is, I consider the 6 nines. Now from these 6 nines, we must, or we should subtract the given decimal number to obtain the nines complement. So I have taken the given decimal number and I am going to subtract here. 9 minus 0 is a 9, 9 minus 0 is a 9, 9 minus 7 is a 2, 9 minus 6 is a 3, 9 minus 4 is a 5, 9 minus 5 is a 4. Now this is calling as a nines complement. Okay. Now I will take one more example. This is a given decimal number. This decimal number is also having the 6 digits. That means we will consider the 6 nines. Now from these 6 nines, we have to subtract the given decimal number and to subtract the given decimal number. By subtracting this decimal number from 6 nines, we will get like this. This is the nines complement. 9 minus 8 is a 1, 9 minus 9 is a 0, 9 minus 3 is a 6, 9 minus 2 is a 7, 9 minus 1 is a 8, 9 minus 0 is a 9. Like this we will get the nines complement. Okay. Now after getting this nines complement, we should go for the tens complement, that is the R's complement. The R's complement is obtained simply by adding 1 to the R minus 1's complement. That means tens complement is equal to nines complement plus 1. This is the nines complement definition, and if we add plus 1, we will get the tens complement. Tens complement is equal to nines complement plus 1. Okay. Now we will take the examples. Now if we go for the examples, so this portion is a nines complement. We are adding the 1. That means tens complement is equal to nines complement plus 1. And if we go for the example, let us consider the same previous example 546700, and first we will evaluate the nines complement by using the same procedure. Same procedure means we will select, or we will consider 6 nines, since we are having the 6 digits in the given decimal number. Now from these 6 nines, we have to subtract the given decimal number. By subtracting, we will get the one new decimal number, that is a nines complement. For this nines complement, if you add plus 1, then you will get the tens complement. So now we are getting the nines complement like this: 5453299, and we are going to add plus 1. And if we add the plus 1, 9 plus 1 is a 10. Again 9 plus 1 is a 10, and 2 plus 1 is a 3, and 3 4 5 4, like that we will get 4 5 3 3 0 0. This is a టెన్స్ కాంప్లిమెంట్. అంటే నైన్స్ కాంప్లిమెంట్కి +1 యాడ్ చేస్తే we got the tens complement. Okay, now instead of taking the nines complement, to obtain the tens complement, we can find tens complement directly. ఓకే, అంటే ఒక్కొక్కసారి 2 మార్క్స్కి లేదా 1 మార్క్ ఆన్లైన్ బిట్స్లో మీకు ఒక డెసిమల్ నెంబర్ ఇచ్చి డైరెక్ట్గా టెన్స్ కాంప్లిమెంట్ రాయమంటారు. ఇన్ సచ్ కేస్ ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు రైట్ డౌన్ tens complement directly, we are having the one method. So let us take the same example once again, and to find the tens complement directly, the procedure is first write down the LSB least significant zeros as it is. First write down least significant zeros as it is and subtract the first least significant non-zero value from 10, and third step is a subtract later non-zero digits from 9. First step is a write down least significant zeros as it is, and second step is subtract first non-zero least significant digit from 10, and third step is subtract all remaining non-zero digits from 9. Okay, these are the steps. Write down the least significant zeros as it is and subtract the first non-zero least significant digit from 10 and subtract remaining all non-zero digits from 9. Now this is a given example, given decimal number. From this I am writing directly the tens complement like this. First I am writing zeros as it is. After that the 7 will be first non-zero digit 7 is there. First non-zero least significant digit is a 7 is there. This 7 will be subtracted from 10. Okay, 10 లో 7 తీస్తే మనకు 3 వస్తుంది, and later on all these digits will be subtracted from 9. Okay, so like this we will get first zeros see first zeros as it is రాసాము from this step, and the second step is a least significant non-zero digit will be subtracted from 10. This one 10 lo subtract cheste we got this 3, and remaining bits digits will be subtracted from all digits will be subtracted from 9. So ఈ బిట్స్ అన్నిటి కూడా మనం 9 లో సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే we will get like this. This is the final tens complement. Okay, and we will see the one more example for the tens complement. Let us take 246/10, and first we will find out the tens complement by using nines complement method. అంటే నైన్స్ కాంప్లిమెంట్ని ఉపయోగించి మనం చేద్దాము. ఫస్ట్ నైన్స్ కాంప్లిమెంట్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తే how many digits are there? 6 digits. That means we are considering the 6 nines, and to obtain the nines complement let us subtract this given decimal number from these 6 nines. 6 9 లో నుంచి మనము given decimal numberని సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేద్దాము. సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే we will get like this: 9 minus 0, 9 minus 1, 9 minus 5, 9 minus 6, 9 minus 4, 9 minus 2. This is the nines complement. Now from this nines complement, if we want to obtain the tens complement, we will add 1. We will get like this tens complement. 9 plus 1 is a 10. 8 plus 1 is a 9, and remaining bit will be as it is. These are tens complement. Now if you want to get that this tens complement directly, we will use the same method. First least significant zeros will be written as it is, and second step is a first non-zero least significant digit will be subtracted from 10, and remaining all digits will be subtracted from 9. So first మన given number రాసాను నేను. This is a given number, and the first zero will be written as it is, and second step is a first non-zero least significant digit will be subtracted from 10. That means this 1 will be subtracted from 10, that is a 9 will get 9 వస్తుంది మనకి ఇక్కడ, and later remaining bits will be subtracted from 9. 9 subtract చేస్తే మనకి వస్తుంది 9 minus 5 is a 4, and this is a 3, this is a 5, this is a 7. That means 7 5 3 4 9 0 you will get like this, 7 5 3 4 9 0. Directly we can estimate the tens complement. Okay, so 0 will be taken directly, and the first non-zero digit will be subtracted from 10, and the remaining digits will be subtracted from 9 to obtain the tens complement. Okay, and we can see one more example. So for tens complement, first we will go for the nines complement, and we will add the 1, and finally we will get the tens complement. And if you want to get the tens complement in a direct method, so first write down the given method, and if you observe this a given number, there is no zeros in a LS position, that is a least significant position lo manaku zeros levu. That means there is no necessary of this statement, there is no need of this statement. And first we will consider the first non-zero digit in a least significant position will be subtracted from 10. So 10 లో నుంచి మనం దీన్ని సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి. So 10 minus 8 is a 2. The remaining all digits will be subtracted from 9. So that means we will get 2, 10 minus 8 is a 2, remaining 9 minus 9 is a 0, 9 minus 3 is a 6, 9 minus 2 is a 7, 9 minus 1 is a 8, 9 minus 5 is a 4. And if you give the explanation, this 8 is coming, the first non-zero least significant digit subtracted from 10, and the remaining all digits will be subtracted from 9. So like this. Okay, now we will go for the binary number system, where radix is a 2. With this radix 2 we will get the ones complement and twos complement. Now first we will go for the ones complement. Now this is the basic definition for the r minus ones complement. Now in case of binary number system, radix is a 2, there is a r minus 1 is a 2 minus 1, that is a ones complement. And if you want to define the ones complement, instead of in place of r we will keep, or we will put 2, since r is a 2. So 2 power n minus 1 whole minus n, where 2 power n indicates the 1 after n zeros, and 2 power n minus 1 indicates the n ones. For example, if we take n equal to 4, 2 power n is equal to 2 power 4, that equal to 2 power 4, that equal to 1 after 4 zeros. Whereas 2 power n minus 1 indicates the 2 power 4 minus 1, that equal to 4 ones. ఇంతకుముందే చెప్పాను, ఇక్కడ పవర్ ఎంత అయితే ఉంటుందో అన్ని నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ వన్స్ వస్తుంది. దెన్ వన్స్ కాంప్లిమెంట్ ఆఫ్ ద గివెన్ బైనరీ నెంబర్ ఈజ్ obtained సింప్లీ బై సబ్ట్రాక్టింగ్ ఈచ్ డిజిట్ ఫ్రమ్ ద 1. అంటే ఇక్కడ తీసుకున్న ఈ 1లో నుంచి ప్రతి ఒక్క డిజిట్ మనం సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే మనకు వన్స్ కాంప్లిమెంట్ వస్తుంది. You will see one example. This is the given binary number, and if you want to estimate the ones complement, first we will take the number of bits in that given binary number. Number of bits ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ 7 ఉన్నాయి, 7 bits ఉన్నాయి. That means we have to choose 7 ones. So ఎన్నైతే బిట్స్ ఉన్నాయో అన్ని వన్స్ మనం తీసుకోవాలి. These are 7 ones, and we will subtract each bit in the given binary number from this ones. ఈ 7 వన్స్లో నుంచి ప్రతి ఒక్క రెస్పెక్టివ్ బిట్ మనము సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి. సో లైక్ దిస్ సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 0, and this is the ones complement. And if you observe here, there is no borrowing system. ఇక్కడ మనకు బారో సిస్టమ్ అనేది లేదనమాట. దిస్ ఆర్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద advantage in case of ones complement. Okay, and we will see the same example. This is the same example. Ones complement తీసుకున్నాం కదా. If you see the one more method to obtain the ones complement, here ones complement will be obtained. అంటే మీరు ఇక్కడ చూస్తే this is a given number, and if you replace 0 with 1, 1 with 0, we will get the ones complement. Okay, అంటే సింపుల్గా మనం ఇక్కడ ఏం చేసాము ప్రీవియస్ మెథడ్లో ప్రతి ఒక్క డిజిట్ని మనము 1లోనే సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసాం. అలా కాకుండా డైరెక్ట్ మెథడ్ ఏంటంటే వన్స్ కాంప్లిమెంట్కి, ఇఫ్ యూ రీప్లేస్ 0 with 1, 1 with 0 in the given binary number, that gives the ones complement. Okay, and this is an example. This is a given number. In this given number, this 0 is replaced with the 1, 1 is replaced with the 0, 0 is replaced with the 1, 1 is replaced with the 0, 1 with 0, 0 with 1, 1 with 0. These are ones complement for the given binary number. Okay, so next is a twos complement. Twos complement is a ones complement plus 1. Twos complement is a twos complement ones complement plus 1. Now ones complement కనుక్కున్న తర్వాత దానికి ప్లస్ 1 యాడ్ చేస్తే మనకు twos complement వస్తుంది. Okay, if you see the examples, here we are considering the example. We are taking one binary number. Okay, in this binary number we are having the 7 bits. Let us take first 7 ones to obtain the ones complement. 7 ones తీసుకున్నాను, and we have to subtract this given binary number from this 7 bits to obtain the ones complement. ఇది వన్స్ కాంప్లిమెంట్ వస్తుంది మనకు. సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసుకుంటే మనకు వన్స్ కాంప్లిమెంట్ వస్తుంది. అండ్ ఇఫ్ యూ యాడ్ 1 ఫర్ దిస్ వన్స్ కాంప్లిమెంట్ విల్ గెట్ ద టూస్ కాంప్లిమెంట్. ప్లస్ 1 యాడ్ చేస్తే మనకు టూస్ కాంప్లిమెంట్ వస్తుంది. 1 plus 1 is a 1 0. Again 1 plus 1 is a 1 0. 1 plus 1 is a 1 0. 0 plus 1 is a 1, and these 3 will be 0 1 0. This is a finally twos complement. And there is a direct method is there to obtain the twos complement. In the direct method, there is a 2 steps. First step, write down the least significant zeros and non-zero bit. Write down the least significant zeros and least significant non-zero bit as it is. Okay, the remaining bits will be replaced 0 with 1 and 1 with 0. So I am taking the given number, the least significant zeros and the first non-zero least significant bit will be written as it is, and the remaining bits will be replaced 1 with 0, 0 with 1. I have taken the given example, and the first zeros will be written first, least significant bit least significant zeros will be written as it is. At the same time, least significant 1 is also written as it is. But the remaining bits, 1 will be replaced with a 0, 0 will be replaced with a 1. Again this 1 will be replaced with a 0. So like this we will get the final value. ఈ జీరోస్ని యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈజ్ రాశాను. అదేవిధంగా ఫస్ట్ నాన్ జీరో ఎల్ఎస్బి బిట్ని అలాగే రాసాము. రిమైనింగ్ బిట్స్ని 1 ఉన్న చోట 0 పెట్టాము, 0 ఉన్న చోట 1 పెట్టాము. ఈజ్ అ టూస్ కాంప్లిమెంట్ డైరెక్ట్లీ. ఓకే, అండ్ వీ విల్ సీ వన్ మోర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్. యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈజ్ రాసాం కదమ్మా, యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈజ్ రాసింది ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్. ద లీస్ట్ సిగ్నిఫికెంట్ జీరోస్ అండ్ ద ఫస్ట్ నాన్ జీరో లీస్ట్ సిగ్నిఫికెంట్ బిట్ will be written as it is. The remaining bits will be written by replacing 1 with 0, 0 with 1 and 1 with 0, like that. And we are taking one more example for the direct method. Here in LSB position there is no 0. LSB position లో అంటే లీస్ట్ సిగ్నిఫికెంట్ పొజిషన్లో మనకు 0 లేదు. అంటే ఫస్ట్ ఏం చేస్తాం మనము, ఈ ఫస్ట్ నాన్ జీరో బిట్ని యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈజ్ రాసుకుంటాం. ఫస్ట్ నాన్ జీరో బిట్ ఉంది కదా, ఎల్ఎస్బి పొజిషన్లో నాన్ జీరో బిట్ ఉంది కదా, యాజిటీజ్ రాసుకుంటాము. రిమైనింగ్ బిట్స్ అన్నిటి ఏం చేస్తాము, జీరో ఉన్న చోట 1 పెడతాం, 1 ఉన్న చోట 0 పెడతాం. సో లైక్ దిస్, these are given binary number and these are 1 first, that is a least significant 1, least significant non-zero 1 యాజిటీజ్గా రాశాను. రిమైనింగ్ అన్నిటిని ఏం చేసాం మనము, 0 ఉన్న చోట 1 పెట్టాం, 1 ఉన్న చోట 0 పెట్టాం. So like this we will get the 2's complement. So the procedure, least significant 0 is not there, that means is not necessary here. The first non-zero least significant bit will be written as it is. The remaining bits will be written as just by replacing 1 with 0 and 0 with 1. Like this we will find out. So one more example. Yes, same. సో 0 యాజిటీజ్ రాస్తాను, నేను డైరెక్ట్గా చెప్పేస్తాను, 0 యాజిటీజ్ రాస్తాను అండ్ 1 యాజిటీజ్ రాస్తాను. రిమైనింగ్ బిట్స్ 1 0 0 1 0. సో ఫైనల్ ఆన్సర్ 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 is the answer. Like this. Okay, you will get the 2's complement directly. Next is a octal number system. Next is a octal number system. This is not binary, this is a octal number system. Okay, in case of octal number system we are having this is a octal number system. In case of octal number system, radix is 8. So due to this radix 8, we are getting the 7's complement for the r minus 1's complement, 8's complement for the r's complement. Now in detail, if you go from the definition, r minus 1's complement will be written like this, and for 7's complement the definition is 8 power n minus 1 minus n, where 8 power n is indicating the 1 after n zeros, 8 power n minus 1 is a n sevens. For example, if you take the 4, number of digits in given octal number is a 4, then 8 power n is a 8 power 4, that is a 1 after 4 zeros. Now 8 power n minus 1, that is 8 power 4 minus 1 is a 4 sevens we will get. Now 7's complement will be obtained just by subtracting each digit of the given octal number from 7. ఇచ్చిన octal నెంబర్లో ఉన్న ప్రతి డిజిట్ మనం 7లో సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే మనకు 7's complement వస్తుంది. This is given octal number. Now I want to obtain the 7's complement. Now to obtain the 7's complement, let us first estimate the number of bit and number of digits in the given octal number. Number of digits are the 6 digits. That means we have to get the 6 sevens. 7 digits, 6 sevens are there, 6 digits are there in a given octal number, 6 digits are there in a given octal number. That means you have to consider the 6 sevens. Like this you have to get the 6 sevens. Now each digit in the given octal number must be subtracted from the 7. So subtract చేసుకుంటే 7 minus 7 is a 0, 7 minus 0 is a 7, 7 minus 7 is a 0, 7 minus 1 is a 6, 7 minus 4 is a 3, 7 minus 2 is a 5. So like this we will get. These are 7's complement. Okay. Later on 8's complement. 8's complement is equal to 7's complement plus 1. These are 7's complement definition. These are 7's complement plus 1. So we will find out by using the same example. First 7's complement we will find out. Later on by adding for 7's complement 1 we will get the 8's complement. ఈ 7's complement వచ్చింది మనకు ఇక్కడ 8's complement కావాలంటే ప్లస్ 1 యాడ్ చేసాము. సో ఫైనల్లీ విల్ గెట్ ద 8's complement. Okay, like this we will get the 7's complement and 8's complement. And finally hexadecimal number system. In case of hexadecimal number system, base is a 16, 16 digits. 16 digits are there. 16 digits are there in a given octal number. 16 digits are there in a given octal number. 16 digits are there in a given octal number. 16 digits are there in a given octal number. 16 digits are there in a given octal number. 16 digits are there in a given octal number. 16 digits are there in a given octal number. 16 digits are there in a given octal number. 16 digits are there in a given octal number. 16 digits are there in a given octal number. 16 digits are there in a given octal number. 16 digits are there in a given octal number. 16 digits are there in a given octal number. 16 digits are there in a given octal number. 16 digits are there in a given octal number. 16 digits are there in a given octal number. 16 digits are there in a given octal number. 16 digits are there in a given octal number. 16 digits are there in a given octal number. 16 digits are there in a given octal number. 16 digits are there in a given octal number. 16 digits are there in a given octal number. 16 digits are there in a given octal number. Now due to that, r minus 1's complement is a 15's complement, and r's complement is a 16's complement. Okay. Now for 15's complement, the definition is 16 power n minus 1 minus n, and 16 power n is a 1 after n zeros. 16 power n minus 1 is a n f's. Actually ఇక్కడ n 15s ఉండాలి, n 15, but in case of hexadecimal number system, the 15 will be represented with the f. 15 అనేది f తో మనం రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తాం కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ n 15s ఉంటుంది. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, if you consider n equal to 4, that means మనకి ఇచ్చిన హెక్సాడెసిమల్లో 4 డిజిట్స్ ఉన్నాయి అనుకోండి. Now 16 power n is a 16 power 4, means 1 after 4 zeros. Now 16 power n minus 1 is a 16 power 4 minus 1. Now 16 power 4 minus 1 will be written as a 4 f's. 4 f's. Okay. Next, 15's complement will be obtained just by subtracting each digit in the given hexadecimal number from the f. అంటే ఇచ్చిన హెక్సాడెసిమల్ నెంబర్లో ఉన్న ప్రతి డిజిట్ని ఎఫ్లో నుంచి సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే మనకు 15's complement వస్తుంది. Now I will take an example. This is a given hexadecimal number, and if you consider the number of digits in the hexadecimal number is a 7. Given hexadecimal number is a 7. Now to estimate the 15's complement, let us take 7 f's. 7 f's, like this, 7 f's. Now from these 7 f's, you have to subtract each digit of the given hexadecimal number, like this. So ప్రతి డిజిట్ని మనం రాసినాము, ఒకదాని కింద రాసిన తర్వాత మనం సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తాం. f minus 3, f minus 3 is the, f means 15, 15 minus 3 is a 12, 12 in a hexadecimal number system is a c. Okay. At the same time, f minus 0, 15, f minus d, d is a hexadecimal number is a 13. So 13 is a 15 minus 13 is a 2. Now f minus 8, 7, f minus 7 is a 8. F minus a is a 10, that is 15 minus 10 is a 5. F minus 6 is a 9. So 9, we get 9, 5, 7, 8, 7, 2 fc. These are 15's complement. Okay. And the 16's complement. The 16's complement will be obtained just adding plus 1 for the 15's complement. 15's complement కనుక్కున్న తర్వాత దానికి 1 యాడ్ చేస్తే మనకు 16's complement వస్తుంది. That means 16's complement is equal to 15's complement plus 1. 15's complement plus 1. Now we will take the same example to obtain the 16's complement. First we will find out the 15's complement in the same procedure, just like previous slide. These are 15's complement. For this one, if we add plus 1, we will get 16's complement. C plus 1 is a D. So these are 16's complement. So like this, we will find out the 16 complements for our number systems. Okay.